Hello and welcome to the basic skirt drafting tutorial. This pattern is just a base to create all types of skirts. To start, take your measuring tape and measure your waist, your hip, and the length of the skirt, measuring from your waist to the knee. Start by drawing a rectangle that is 1/4 of your hip measurement by the length of the skirt. For me, it's 25 centimeters by 50 centimeters long. From this point, mark 20 centimeters downwards, and that is going to be your hip height. From this point, mark 1/4 of your waist measurement, plus 2 centimeters for the darts. In my case, I marked 18 centimeters and 2 additional centimeters for the dart. That is 18 plus 2, that's 20 centimeters. From this point, mark 1 centimeter down. Match these points, making a slight curve. The hip, match these 2 points, and in the middle of this line, mark the center. From this middle point, mark ½ centimeters outwards. Match these points, passing through the ½ centimeter, and draw a slight curve. To draw the dart, mark the center of this line. For me is 10 centimeters, and draw a line downwards that has 8 or 9 centimeters. From this center point, mark 1 centimeter to the right and 1 centimeter to the left. Match these points. Now let's make the back. Draw another rectangle. From this point, go down 1 centimeter. On this line, mark the waist, that is 1/4 of the waist measurement, plus this time 3 centimeters for the dart. That is 21 centimeters in total. Mark this point, match drawing a curve. The hip is the same as in the front. Match these 2 points. In the middle of the line, mark ½ centimeter outwards. Match these points, drawing a slight curve. For the dart, mark the center of this line. Draw a line 13 centimeters downwards. From the center, mark 1½ to both sides. Match the points to make the dart. This is how the patterns should look like. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.